I get these slats of wood from Hobby Lobby. They come about 4 in a pack, and they measure 23 inches each. So I'm going to first take 3 pieces and mark at my 11.5 inch, which is halfway, and I'm going to go cut those. So now I have 6 pieces total cut at 11.5 inches, and I'm going to make 2 groups of 3. I'm going to take another piece and measure the width of the board with all 3 of these slats put together. And I'm going to cut 4 pieces at that width. I'm then taking my hot glue gun and gluing one to the bottom of the 3 slats. I'm going to also glue one at the top. And this is what's going to hold the 3 slats together. You can also use wood glue. I'm going to take my second group of 3 and just line it up with the one on the left side here. So I try to make them as even as possible. Once everything is glued together, I'm taking my Wise Owl Snow Owl. This is just a white chalk synthesis paint, and I'm painting both of my boards. I got these hooks from Hobby Lobby. They're 4 inches by 2 inches. They are near the knobs, and when the knobs are 50% off every other week, you also get these 50% off. And I'm going to find the center of my board. And I'm going to go down about 1/2 inch and just screw that in place. And I'm going to repeat the same thing. These are very small screws, so I'm just using a screwdriver. I then have this stencil. I got this in a pack from Target. It came with 4 different stencils, and I'm just going to take some blue painter's tape and find the center of the top of the wood here, tape the stencil in place using some Wise Owl black. I'm going to take my foam dabber and lightly dab on top of the stencil. And I'm just going to make one line of the stencil from the left to the right, and then I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other end of the wall hanging. Now again, when you're stenciling, make sure you use a very small amount of paint. This wood is a little more rough, so it doesn't give full coverage, but I don't have much bleeding with the stencil. You want to just lightly dab, and you may have to go over it a couple times. And I did this on both of the pieces. Now I got these really cute lanterns from the Dollar Tree, and I can hang them right from the hook here. And now you have these really cute wall sconces that we made at a very inexpensive price. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also watch other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.